Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, confirm eligibility. Sign in with a Google account and check that your device runs Android 13 or iOS 16 or later. Update the Google app to the latest version and free at least 200 MB of storage to avoid installation issues. Turn on two-step verification and verify your phone number in account settings. Many new features require this. Also, confirm your region supports the feature by checking the Google Apps Labs or beta page before proceeding to request access or enable experimental tools. Next, request access. Open the Google app, go to Labs or Beta features, locate Gemini Live, and tap Request Access or Opt-in. Some accounts join a waitlist. Watch your email for approval, which typically arrives within 72 hours. Once approved, enable microphone and camera permissions in your device settings so live interactions work smoothly. If there is an in-app toggle, turn Gemini Live on, then complete any onboarding prompts. Restart the app after enabling to ensure background services. Initialize correctly for real-time responses. Finally, optimize performance and troubleshoot common problems. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 5G network for low latency during live sessions and close background apps that use CPU or camera. If audio or video fails, restart the Google app, check microphone and camera permission toggles, and confirm the app has at least 200 MB free temporary space. For persistent errors, use the app's feedback option to report the issue. Confirm you run the latest app update, and, if needed, remove and reinstall the Google app to clear corrupted caches and reset services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.